Hey, I'm back here at Yongmasan, where I showed you the one-room conversion. And now we're in the basement and we've got a very big project going on. I missed the beginning of it, but let me show you where we're at, and it'll be pretty obvious to you what's going on. So it's down in the basement, so down this many steps here. And you can see how far below street level that is. So street level is belly button high. And so what we've got going on is we had this was the kitchen, obviously. This was one bedroom, and this was another bedroom. There was a window there. There was a doorway here to get into that bedroom. This wall is going to be closed up, and then so we'll have a one room over here with the bathroom over in a previous storage area, and another major part of this construction.
잡힌다!
진짜?
Right, so this floor is dug up already, but you can see
이거
where the old floor came to. You can see where the old waste pipe went out. And the reason for that is because when this house was built, it wasn't common practice to use pumps to get sewage out. But now these lines are all going to be running outside here and over to this pump. So sewage pump will pump everything else out. We're going to need to put another boiler in here. Okay, we got our two boilers. One more will go in the middle. And back inside, over to the one room. For the bathroom, it's going to go over here, and the kitchen will be here. So our sewage line will run out that way to the pump, and we need to finish building this wall up here. So I think we're going to put the toilet against this wall, and we took out these windows here, and from upstairs you can see the view here. Okay, there you go. There's the window that we took out right there, and this is the door getting into the basement. So still some relocating to do, right? So this project's easily going to be $15,000, but my friend's keeping the house for at least another 2 years, and having two apartments down here will be a good return on that investment. And again, when you go to sell the house, more apartments, better for the investor who's going to buy the house. All right, thanks for checking it out. See you around.